A beach weekend inspired by kittens. The cover and the first page. We can fit into a bus. Check out my talents. I'm hoping that girls are gonna be there. Me too. I'll jump on them. Ah! Ooh! Blah! November 20 to 22nd. We're chilling on the beach. There's 2 of us. Hello. Stop looking at me. No, look at me. I am a gray cat. I am a white cat. We are twins. There's 2 of us. Triplets. 1, 2, 3. And middle. I will eat you if you don't go to beach weekend. No, I will eat you if you don't go to beach weekend. Look into my eyes. Ah! Ah! Ee! My feet. Mama, we missed the sign up for beach weekend. We are sad. The end.